My name's Attorney Gabriel Greer, and you just saw the turn-by-turn Hoka Hey directions. What you're seeing here, I'm in Alabama, and I'm just riding. And at this point, I got the music going on. I had to turn it down on the video, but let me tell you, I got caught up in the song, having such a good time after such a long ride. I think this is like day 4 or day 3.5. So as you see here, I got to turn. Am I going to turn left? I'm supposed to turn left. I'm like blissful. There it is. I'm supposed to left. Wait, hey, turn around. Well, I messed up on that one. The rules in the Hoka Hey Motorcycle Challenge says if you miss a turn, even if you're 100 miles down the road, and people have been in that situation, right? You missed a turn, you got to turn around, you got to right back to the place where you made your mistake. Why? Because at the end, there's a master, right? Because every motorcycle has like one of those trackers that's underneath the seat, and satellite. It's like, the 18-wheelers, the truckers, they have it there. So what you're seeing here, I basically pulled over on the side of the road. I saw my directions. I looked at the map. I'm like, I got to turn around. So here I'm making a U-turn. But anyways, everybody has trackers on their bikes, and they put a master over your route. And if they see that you cut a chunk off, or hey, you cheated, you leapfrogged ahead of everybody, to make it to the party or something like that, you get disqualified. And if it's your first time, you don't get your cut. Look, here I am. I know I'm okay. I see another Hoka Hey guy. I'm like, okay, I'm within range, but I missed right here, and I went across the street going on the wrong side, so I had to make another U-turn because I'm like, yeah, sometimes you just make mistakes, and where it comes from is from being fatigued, tired, and it's just being just tired because you didn't sleep one night. You ain't sleep for 5 nights, you get 4 or 5 hours sleep. It lingers. It takes a toll. So here I am just turning around. I'm going to cross this big interstate and just head into these back roads because this ride is no interstates, all back roads. Okay, so here I am going on the other side of the road. I'm back on track. Okay, I'm on the route. I'm following the directions. I'm getting closer to Homer, Alaska. And if you're new to this and you don't know exactly, what am I looking at? You're looking at one of 239 American motorcycle riders that left Daytona Beach August 4th, went through Hurricane Debbie, down to Key West, came back up through Florida, hit Hurricane Debbie again, into Georgia, hitting Hurricane Debbie again. And I'm just explaining how you make mistakes. And here I am on the back roads, just enjoying myself on the Alabama roads, and it's turn-by-turn directions. Satellites, you got to sleep next to your bike, no hotels, no interstates. You follow this road for 50 miles, 20 miles, half a mile, left, right, till you get to the first, second, third checkpoint, and then you get to the final destination, which on this ride, in the 2024 Hoka Hey Motorcycle Challenge, is Homer, Alaska. And this is the 10th anniversary of me being on, because my first one was in 2014. And I did a similar run. This is closer to the one that they had in 2010, this route here. So we were sort of following it. Not like the one in 2014, which was my first. So when I arrive at Homer, it's going to be my 10th anniversary. I'm going to turn 60 years old. By then, my bike should be 100,000 miles. I would have gone over. Ooh, look at that grass. Got to be careful with that grass. It's like ice. And on these roads, I found a lot of people cutting their grass, just throwing it in the middle of the road. And you got to be careful because you can just slide on that. It's like water and ice. You can go down. What's that up there? I think there's somebody up there. Might be that Hoka Hey guy. I had to turn around. I passed him by. But we'd be passing each other left and right. We might ride with each other for a day or two. And I'm going to go to sleep. All right, man, I'm keeping going. So I caught you. Here I am. Let me pass this monkey. He'll probably end up passing me later on. Here, get out of the way. Here I come. There we go. Hoka Hey's the best. Hey, I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I just woke up because I had a bad tire. Fell asleep here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to see my videos. But I want to thank you. And if you like these types of videos, hey, click the subscribe button. Come on, man. I'm competing against these big boys. I ain't got the power they got to pull millions of people. But if I get one or two at a time, click and subscribe. All right? I'm out here doing a Hoka Hey Motorcycle Challenge. Support the alternative rides. Click that button. Hey, yeah.